Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share something fascinating with you all. We're diving into the wonderful world of 3D animation, but with a twist, through the magical lens of claymation. Now, I know what you're thinking. 3D animation and claymation, aren't those two completely different beasts? Well, yes and no. Let's break it down. 3D animation, as you probably know, is all about creating moving images in a three-dimensional digital environment. Think Pixar, DreamWorks, or your favorite video game characters. It's done using software like Blender or Maya, where animators create models, rig them with skeletons, and bring them to life with keyframes and motion paths. On the other hand, claymation is a form of stop-motion animation where each frame is individually sculpted using clay figures. Think Wallace and Gromit or Chicken Run. The figures are moved in small increments between individually photographed frames, creating the illusion of movement when the frames are played in sequence. So, how do these two worlds collide? Well, claymation can serve as an incredible hands-on introduction to the principles of 3D animation. You see, both mediums rely heavily on understanding motion, timing, and expression. When working with clay, you physically manipulate your characters, which gives you a tangible sense of how movement works. This tactile experience can be incredibly beneficial when you transition to digital 3D animation, where you'll be doing similar manipulations, just in a virtual space. Imagine this. You start by creating a simple clay character, maybe a cute little alien or a quirky robot. You mold it, shape it, and give it personality. Then you set up your scene and begin the slow, meticulous process of animating it frame by frame. Each tiny movement builds up to a smooth, fluid sequence. Now take that patience and attention to detail into your 3D software. The skills you've honed in claymation, understanding how to break down movements, planning your sequences, and bringing characters to life, all directly apply to 3D animation. Claymation teaches you to think about your characters in a three-dimensional space, to consider their weight, balance, and the subtleties of their expressions. When you move to 3D animation, you'll already have a strong foundation to build upon. So if you're an animation enthusiast looking to dip your toes into 3D animation, why not start with some good old-fashioned clay? It's fun, it's challenging, and most importantly, it's a fantastic way to understand the core principles of animation. Thanks for tuning in and happy animating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content.